Hey everyone, it's Michelle from Fireside Weekenders, and today we're going to be installing these really cool outdoor LED light strips. These were sent to us by Latch.it and are originally designed to be used as an awning light. However, since our RV already has them, we're going to be doing a little modification and using them as underglow for our RV. Stay tuned for some really cool effects. Latch.it is an American-owned business who, like you and I, also have a love for RVing. They also offer a lifetime warranty on all of their products. Upon opening the box, you can see right away that this product comes with everything you need to install these lights. But because we personally are not installing them for its original purpose, we did have to purchase a couple extra items, which we'll discuss a little later in the video. This kit includes the following: a remote and controller that allows you to change the color, brightness, and effects of your LED lights. Plenty of degreaser wipes for cleaning, 3M VHB tape, 20 feet of mounting channels, and 20 feet of LED strip lights. Also, 2 different types of 12-volt power adapters that give you the option on how you want to connect to power. The first step, whether installing these on your awning or somewhere else, is to figure out exactly where you would like to install them. We will be connecting ours directly to the 12-volt junction point. Next, measure how long the area is to determine the length of the LED strip before cutting. We will be cutting ours into 2 7-foot sections and 2 3-foot sections. Be sure to use the caps provided to seal the light strips after cutting. Now we are ready to start installing. Prep the surface area and mounting channels with the degreaser wipes. Once it is dried, apply the 3M tape to the mounting channels. Then, start mounting. Just a heads up, this tape is extremely strong, so make sure you are certain of where you are placing it because it won't be easy to remove. Now time to mount the lights. Starting at the end with the wiring, peel the backing and press the strip into the channels. We found it's much easier to remove the tape backing and work in small sections. If you are installing these on your awning, you can move to later in the video when we connect the strip to power. In order for us to install these in separate pieces under our trailer, we purchased an RGB extension cable, solderless connector adapters, electrical connectors, 1/2-inch split loom, heat shrink tubing, and zip ties. After figuring out the best place to run these extension cables, you're going to cut it to the proper length and then insert it into the strip loom. Install these where it works best for your trailer. We then slipped the LED strip into one side of the solderless connector and connected the pigtail wires to the extension cables by stripping the wires, twisting them, and heat shrinking them. We did this to all 4 LED strips by connecting them in series. The first to the second to the third, and so on. Once you are done, you're going to make sure to seal all the connections with either electrical tape, bigger heat shrink tubes, or another form of sealant. Time to connect to power. To do this, you're going to connect the controller to the power cable, then the controller to the LED wire end. Last step is to strip the other end of the power cable, crimping ring connectors and connecting them to the 12-volt junction point underneath the trailer. Now time to clean up. Make sure all LED strips work properly. Seal all the connections and place them inside the looms, leaving the IRI out. This is weather resistant, so you don't need to worry. Secure everything to the frame with zip ties. These LED strips give you many light possibilities. Solid colors, flashing, smooth transitions, dimming, and much more. Now time to sit back, enjoy, and make your neighbors a little jealous. Thanks for watching. Comment below to tell us your ideas on how you would install these LED lights on your trailer. Psst. Hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.